What's up, everybody? Sensei here. Welcome to the show. Welcome to another video. And one of the first things I want to say is anyone that has suffered any type of loss or damage due to a fire, my heart goes out to you. My childhood home burned down to the ground a few years back, so I know how it is, and it's something very difficult to deal with. Being in the PEV community, whether it's with electric unicycles, skateboards, e-bikes, hoverboards, were sort of highlighted. Even with electrical cars, the same thing. They're always talking about battery fires. But when I saw this broadcast, I said, man, there's a bigger problem, and it's all across the board. The numbers that you're about to hear are staggering. It's literally eye-opening and mind-boggling what's going on. And this is with gasoline motors. The bottom line is, during development and manufacturing, there needs to be better safety and quality control put into these products before they are sold to consumers. Now, this video is a repost, and honestly, I don't care. I think this is something that is important and something that people really need to see, especially in our community. And for the record, I own a Hyundai. So when I saw this, I was like, this is something that I have to share.
The recalls are the latest in a long list of fire risk and engine failure issues involving some of the most popular and newer Kia and Hyundai models. The two automakers have now recalled over 5 million sedans and SUVs for fire-related defects since we first exposed thousands of these vehicles going up in flames in 2018. Both car makers, as they have with past similar recalls, are warning owners to park their rides outdoors, away from structures and other vehicles until the recall is complete. Documents filed with federal regulators say the cars and SUVs can catch fire even when parked.
There's a short that occurs and it can start a fire in the anti-lock brake system. And that can also lead to a fire that, can catch on to other engine compartment components that are flammable.
Kia and Hyundai have issued several recalls for similar or the same electrical fire risk and defect in their vehicles in the last couple of years. Michael Brooks with the Center for Auto Safety says the companies should have issued these recalls sooner.
The replacements and the remedies look similar on all of these recalls. There have been about 3 so far now. So it raises the question why they didn't get these things done the first time.
The new recall affects certain 2014 to 2016 Kia Sportage SUVs and the 2016 to 2018 K900 sedan. Hyundai recalled certain 2016 to 2019 Santa Fe's and the 2014 and 2015 Tucson. Kia says there are warning signs. Drivers should be on the lookout for an illuminated ABS warning light, a burning or melting smell, or smoke from the engine compartment. Kia plans to notify owners by the end of March, and Hyundai says it will send notices out in April. Depending on the model, owners will be asked to bring in their vehicles for an inspection and our replacement parts.
They inspected it.
In 2020, Hyundai recalled Peggy Campbell's Tucson over the same potential for an electrical short in the ABS system. But these owners waited months for a part.
And put me on a waiting list.
I asked the automakers about the time frame for the needed parts to be distributed to local dealers for this recall. Hyundai said they don't have a time frame, but they're working to get parts out as soon as possible. And we're still waiting to hear back from Kia. I'm my team investigator Jackie Calloway, taking action for you.